In this lesson, you'll learn about checking audio levels before you export. You'll view the audio levels and be able to recognize the -12 level and the red peaking levels. You'll learn about ways to quickly see any exaggerated levels and how to reduce them. One of the first things to do is to check on your sound levels. Make sure that sound audio is not too loud. Make sure that there are no peaking sections in the audio. Peaking is where the meter will go red in this area here. Now when it peaks, it will stay red at these 2 points if it's in stereo, and these are the level meters here. The level that you're aiming to get is to peak somewhere around here, and you'll see it leaves a white line around this point. So if I just play through something here in the timeline now, you'll see that the little white lines were peaking at that sort of level there. Let's just play that again. Background music should be always a little lower than the -12, but your general audio track should be somewhere around the -12, peaking at that level. So this is quite good here. There's not a lot to worry about. Now if you've got a long clip, and here we've only got a 10-minute clip, so you can afford to play this and just watch the peak levels as you play through. You could play it through at a faster speed using the L key. The L key on the keyboard, one depression plays in real time. To press it a second time, you double that speed. To press it again, you double that speed. And then the third time, you double the speed again, so you have a maximum of 16 times normal speed. That will help you move through the clip fairly quickly. You can see that it's moving through there. Now, as it goes through the clip at these faster speeds, at 16 times real time, then you will find the scrubbing sound or the background audio will be cut, and you'll just have a silent audio for that viewing. So pressing it once, we can hear the background sound. Pressing it twice, that doubles that. And you'll see now it's cut out the background sound altogether. If you have a long clip, there is a fairly convenient way of scrubbing through the timeline and finding your peaks. I have preset in this timeline a peak that goes to red. Now, if I scrub through too quickly, you'll notice if we watch over in the right hand side on the green bars there, it never gets to red. So going too quickly will in fact defeat the purpose. So you need to scrub through at a steady sort of rate. If we go through here and we go through at a steady sort of rate, you'll see there are those peaks. You see how it's gone red on the right hand side there? That's the area where the peak is. Now you've found that, you can zoom into that area. I'm using the Command plus key, and you can see that I have set some keyframes there to create that audio peak. So by clicking on a keyframe, pressing the delete key, I can delete it, and so that's now somewhere around that -12 level. Perhaps it's a little too high, so we will take out those two keyframes and just reduce the total down to say -13, -16. If we should want to see that in more detail, you can come down here and select just the audio, and then you can change those levels a little yourself, or you can select the clip as we've seen before and go to the audio adjustment and type in the number that you want, -16, or use the slider to reduce it to the sort of level that you want. If we play that now, And those are the sorts of levels that you want to maintain. Now, if you maintain a -12 level, that will mean that when people play it on their computers, or when people play a DVD on their DVD player, they won't need to adjust their volume from the normal levels that they're listening at.